Nature loves to hide its greatest rewards behind a mask of simplicity. Walking through wild, sunlit meadows, you might mistake today's plant for a common dandelion. But beneath its golden petals lies a rich history of ancient survival and hidden benefits. Today, we journey into the world of botanical legends to explore a truly fascinating plant. Welcome back as we uncover the secrets of Picris hieracioides, known as Hawkweed Oxtongue. To truly understand this plant, we must decode its unique scientific name. The species name, hieracioides, directly connects to the ancient Greek word for hawk. According to old European folklore and Roman naturalist Pliny the Elder, hawks had a magical secret. It was believed that these majestic birds tore open this specific plant to use its milky sap. They rubbed it on their eyes to gain their legendary, razor-sharp vision. The genus name, Picris, comes from the Greek word pikros, which translates to bitter. In ancient mythology, bitter plants were ruled by the centaur Chiron, the master of herbal medicine. He taught humanity that bitterness was nature's way of protecting a plant's most potent compounds. Chiron believed that herbs with a strong, sharp taste held the unique power to cleanse the body, cool internal fires, and restore lost balance. In Old English traditions, this plant earned the rugged name Hawkweed Oxtongue. If you touch its leaves, you will immediately feel why. They are covered in rough, stiff hairs that feel exactly like the surface of an ox's tongue. In ancient signatures of nature, a plant's physical texture revealed its purpose. Healers believed this rough, untamed exterior symbolized resilience and the ability to thrive in the harshest environments. While modern science explores its profile, traditional medicine has long valued its leaves. In historical folk practices across Eurasia, the bitter leaves were carefully gathered to create a natural febrifuge. When people suffered from intense, throbbing headaches, ancient herbalists would pound the fresh plant into a smooth paste. Applied directly to the forehead, this cooling herbal compress was used to draw out discomfort. What makes this humble yellow flower so valuable to traditional wellness? The secret lies in its natural bitter compounds. In historical herbalism, bitter elements were essential for daily vitality. When these compounds touch the tongue, they naturally signal the body to prepare for optimal function. A simple infusion made from the young leaves was traditionally used as a gentle tonic to kickstart and support a sluggish digestive system. Beyond digestive support, historical records highlight the plant's role in seasonal cleansing. In traditional Eastern practices, it was consumed as a wild pot herb. Healers observed that its natural properties helped the body flush out unwanted toxins. By promoting gentle fluid balance, a warm cup of this herbal infusion acted as a natural shield, helping the body maintain internal harmony during changing seasons. The bright yellow color of Picris hieracioides is not just for attracting bees. It is a sign of hidden strength. The flowers are packed with natural flavonoids and protective compounds. In the wild, these elements protect the plant from cellular damage caused by intense sunlight. When utilized in traditional wellness routines, these same properties provide a gentle defense against daily environmental stressors. If you wish to explore this plant, look for it in undisturbed, sun-drenched chalk grasslands. It loves clean, calcareous soils away from pollution. For historical preparations, young leaves were harvested before the yellow flowers opened to keep the bitterness mild. As always, ensuring proper identification is crucial. Choosing clean, wild sources guarantees you experience the plant exactly as ancient healers did. The golden fields are full of ancient stories, and Picris hieracioides is a testament to nature's quiet power. By learning about these forgotten weeds, we honor a deep lineage of traditional wisdom. If you enjoyed this mythological journey, please click the like button and subscribe for more herbal history. Comment below if you have seen this flower before. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you in the next adventure.